I think I would like to say something. Wait. This kid, I think, is the one man. আমাদের যে পরিমাণ রিফ্রেশমেন্ট দিয়েছে, বিগ ক্লাস ফর হিম। And another credit goes to Golden State International. Actually, he just shared me. He's a pure 100% Dawa guy. Now he's please. He just shared me something. Now every day he's changing, and he said, now I am trying to do more Hikvision.